Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm doing a top speed run on my Apollo. It's apparently the fast one, I think. Oh no, another Apollo YouTuber said that it was the faster version of the Apollo. So I'm just gonna believe him. He seemed like a pretty cool YouTuber, guys. You should go check him out. His name's Apollo something. I have to check it out later. I'll put it in the description, okay? So yeah. Right now I'm just taping up my phone because I have no phone holder. As you can tell, I'm going to have it I'm ready. Oh, that's good. Am I still recording? God dang it. I hope so, guys. I don't know what happened there. Oh. Bam. Oh, now I need to move it. There. Alright. Make sure all the tape's on there good. Alright, guys, so this is also going to be a cold start because it's freezing out here. It's like early morning. So, yeah. You won't see me during this. You probably won't. I'm trying to move up the camera, but the tape's way too strong. But there we go. Alright, so let's see how good she cranks up in the morning. You're just gonna be looking at my crotch basically during this, guys. Just want you to know. So you could. Should I even have a face cam? You guys, you see how I'm doing, right? You see me? I'm getting ready to flip and roll. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this face cam. First, I need to figure out a way. Click, click, and face cam away. Alright. So, no face cam, but guys, you can hear me. You know you just seen that. So, let me just, I can't get on. Hold on. It went on a stupid area just to get on my bike. It was on the repair spot. If you ever get an Apollo that looks like this one, and you probably noticed that if you did see, I think you did, the gas top is silver on mine. It's because the blue paint, I don't know why, but like I guess gas fumes went through the what do you call it? Shoot, the keyhole, and it made my paint bubble up. So I just took it off, and now it's silver. Make sure it's in neutral. Alright, here we go. Cold start. Please crank up. Let me turn on my choke. Choke on. Come on. Oh. Giving a little gas there. That wasn't a good idea.